George has the hiccups. Why not? Okay, George Pepper, how about you wear your handcuffs too, man? It's not handcuffs, Bobby. It's gay coats. Ow! George does not want his hat. George, you have to wear your hat to keep you not cold. Cause that's why you're not. Why? Because it's important. Why? Oh, George, just keep the freaking hat on and go play. Okay. Well, go play, guys. Jump, jump, jump. No! Papa is just so exhausted by toxic. Okay, Papa George, come here. You're gonna have a sick cold. George, where's our hat? Yang. Okay, you need to go to see the nurse or something. That's stuff. Oh boy, brother, gonna call Dr. Bear. Ding ding ding. Hello, who's there? Oh, I see. George have the cold. I'll come right away. Oh, you better hurry, cause this little boy's got hiccups. Oh, okay. Let's do something about it. How about that, George? Yes, he's gonna say that for a while. Okay, George, what are you gonna do? Why do you have hiccups? Huh? Choo! Ah! He sneezed on me, George! You need to stop, don't you? Okay. You need to go to sleep. Okay. No. I stay up. Okay, George, you have to go to bed. That's not gonna help. Hi. Because you have to. Why? Because just go back to bed, right? Okay, I'm doctor here. No! Hey, George. See you scared? Say ah. No! No! Okay, how about you show your butt off? Say ah. Open your mouth like ah. Okay. Ah. Okay, I see that teeth. She doesn't have teeth. She's little. Oh, I see that. I love. Okay. Okay, see you later. Okay, it's night time. Okay, George. I hate you. I hate you for calling me. What's wrong with you? Oh, you said I have no teeth. Okay, how about I don't care anyway? How about you need some more nice milk? Give me that, Mom. Nah, well. Hey. I hate you. Okay, Peppa, George. Oh, just like a sleepy dream. Wake up, you ugly little girl, George. Ah. Hey, George is outside. I keep my head on now. I forget what I did. Okay, George, you can take your head off now. No! Because you have to. No! George, don't take the freaking hat off. Listen to the girl, you idiot. Okay. How about we just spot? Oink, 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 oink. I'm the ugliest little girl.